Greetings. This is episode 10 of Edge Igniter, titled Integrating Artificial Intelligence for Personalized Development Strategies. I am Alex Rivers, and today we will examine the evidence-supported application of artificial intelligence, AI, systems to tailor personal and professional growth trajectories, leveraging adaptive algorithms to optimize learning, behavior change, and performance in real-world contexts. AI-driven personalization transcends generic advice by analyzing individual data patterns such as behavioral logs, biometric inputs, and self-reported metrics to generate precise, evolving recommendations, grounded in machine learning models validated across educational, health, and organizational domains. Meta-analyses of AI-enhanced interventions demonstrate significant effect sizes in skill acquisition and habit adherence, with adaptive systems outperforming static protocols by 20 to 40% in retention and transfer outcomes. We will outline 4 advanced integration strategies, each anchored in empirical research, with implementation protocols for immediate deployment. First, deploy AI-powered adaptive learning platforms. These systems utilize reinforcement learning to adjust content difficulty, pacing, and modality based on real-time performance data. Randomized controlled trials in professional training confirm that such platforms reduce cognitive load and accelerate mastery by aligning challenges with the learner's zone of proximal development. Protocol: select a validated platform, for example, Duolingo for languages or Coursera's AI-guided paths. Input baseline proficiency via diagnostic quizzes. Allow the system to generate daily 10 to 15-minute modules, reviewing weekly progress dashboards to refine goals. Second, implement AI-coached behavioral nudging via wearable ecosystems. Machine learning models process physiological, heart rate variability, sleep, and contextual data to deliver micro-interventions, timed prompts, environmental cues, or reward signals at optimal moments. Longitudinal health studies validate that AI-nudged habit formation yields 2.5 times greater adherence than self-directed efforts. Protocol: sync a smartwatch, for example, Apple Watch, Fitbit, with an AI behavior app, for example, Fabulous or Habitica AI. Define one target behavior, for example, 7,000 steps. Enable predictive nudges and review weekly AI-generated insight reports to adjust triggers. Third, utilize natural language processing, NLP, for reflective journaling and feedback synthesis. AI analyzes journal entries to detect sentiment shifts, cognitive distortions, and growth themes, then provides structured, evidence-based reframing prompts. Clinical trials of NLP-assisted cognitive behavioral therapy show equivalent efficacy to human therapists in mild to moderate cases, with 24/7 accessibility. Protocol: use an NLP journal app, for example, Reflectly Pro or Wobot. Write 3 to 5 sentences nightly. Engage with AI-generated Socratic questions the following morning to reinforce adaptive narratives. Fourth, integrate multimodal AI dashboards for holistic development tracking. These aggregate data from learning platforms, wearables, and journals into a unified resilience and performance index, applying predictive analytics to forecast burnout risk or skill plateaus. Organizational case studies report 30% reductions in turnover when AI dashboards inform proactive development plans. Protocol: connect APIs across chosen tools into a central hub, for example, Notion AI or Zapier-driven Google Sheets. Set monthly AI review sessions to interpret composite scores and prescribe one high-impact adjustment. To operationalize, begin with a single integration, for example, adaptive learning. Ensure data privacy via GDPR-compliant tools, and scale to multimodal tracking after 30 days. Validate progress against baseline metrics, for example, resilience scales, at 90-day intervals. Research confirms sustained engagement yields compounding gains in efficacy and well-being. In conclusion, AI integration transforms personalized development from intuition to precision engineering. Initiate with one vetted tool and iterate systematically. Thank you for joining this episode. The next installment will address ethical considerations in AI-augmented self-improvement. Until then, configure your first AI integration with deliberate calibration.